This shark tank is so cool. Got the nurse sharks swimming in here. There's another one. Wow, they're definitely hungry. They even got a crab tank you could touch. Hey guys, come with me today. We're gonna check out this aquarium in Alligator Point, Florida. And let's go. Wow, they even have a stingray tank here. Wow, look at that stingray. The owner is a marine biologist. I thought that was pretty cool. This place is really cool. More exhibits outside. Family just left without me. Totally worth every dollar. This place is pretty cool. This is definitely a pretty cool aquarium to check out if you're in Alligator Point, Florida. Oh, look at the little ones. Wow. That is cool.
Oh, those? Yeah.
They have 18 of them in spines.
Wow.
Don't ask me why I knew that just by looking at it, but I think I must have read it somewhere.
This thing would probably kill you super quick. They even got the octopus. Look. Wow.
Yes, it's a touch tank. You're going to touch them all. Put your hand in there.
Where?
It is not a touch tank.
This is a touch tank. Put your hand in there.
It is a touch tank.
Let's see what it says.
Can you see it? Tip you can't even see it yet.
I see them all over the place.
Look at all of them. Put your hand in there. It's a touch tank.
Oh,
It is a touch tank.
I'll try it. I'm not.
hell no. Okay, you try them. I'm gonna. Hell no.
It really feels good.
Oh, I'm scared.
All right, fine. I'll put my hand in there. Here, Kels. Record me putting my hand in
There,
there.
I'll push them over there.
Here, Kels.
Okay, come on.
I'm gonna go on the other side. Go.
All right, this is the crab tank. I'm gonna put my hand in there. Kelsey's gonna film it. Do they pinch?
No. But get more than that. Get over in the middle. There's over there. There's a lock. That little bitty. What are you scared of?
Yeah, gee, I can't do it.
Because you're not getting enough of one.
No. Get Zach doing it.
You gotta get a lot.
Zoom in. They felt weird. Totally weird. Wow, look at this guy. He is such a big little turtle. Show you the size of him. He is huge. It's a looking tank. Got another touch tank right here. Oh, those are the ones she was talking about in the beginning. You could put your arm underneath there and hold them. Like this. Yeah, you do. She said the hands won't pinch you. Just put your hand right underneath. That's all you do, right there. She said that it feels funny. This is a pretty cool. You got two of them. Put them down, poor guy. Not touching those guys. Pretty cool. They have all the little displays of all the animals and explaining what they are and whatnot. It's pretty cool. Apparently these are deep sea fish. Wonder how far deep down they were. It's a squid. These These are different. Holy cow, look at those. This place is definitely cool.